Hey everybody, welcome back to Kitchen Science Cooks. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to cut some steaks out of some bottom round. So as you can see right here, we've got a little over 3 pounds and it's coming in at $6.09 a pop. So what we want to do is we want to get this guy right out of the packaging. And voila. We want to go ahead and see which way the grain's running. As you can see, it's running left to right, and you can see the little fibril sitting right on in there. See, we've got most of the silver fin taken off, so right now we want to go ahead and take a bunch of this fat cap off. And when you're doing this, don't worry if you scalp it a little bit, that's okay. A lot of this fat you're going to end up taking off, you're going to save it and use it for brisket rendering or burger meat later. So now after everything's done, we've got all the fat cap off. We're going to go ahead, we've got about 3/4 of a pound of fat sitting right there, so we're still right around that 3 pound mark. So I'm going to go ahead and take my first cut. I'm going to make petite fillets out of these. So these guys are probably going to weigh about 5 to 5.5 ounces each. They're going to work out great. And with the tail ends over there, they're probably going to be sitting somewhere around that 4.5 to 5 ounce rate as well. So these are nice little snacks to go ahead and put together. Good little home meal for everyone to go ahead and try. So we're going to use equal parts of salt, black pepper, and half a part of garlic powder. We want to put this on here generously. We then want to go ahead and pat it in. And we want to let it sit for about 45 minutes before it goes on the grill. And after being done on the grill, this is exactly what it looks like. Now the fun thing about this product is we want to figure out where the grain is. It's kind of hard to see right now. So what I like to do is I like to take test cuts. So I'll make 1 or 2 cuts on each side and see how tender it actually is. And you can see I'm giving a little pull right now. It's not that tender on that side, so I'm going to cut a nice little thin slice on this other side. And then I'm going to check that one out and see if that's it. You can see a little bit of our seasoning is coming off there. All right, and that's not it. Well, let's hope for third time's the charm here. We're going to try on this side now. So we'll make 1, 2, and 3 cuts, and we're going to see exactly how that's going to work out. And there we go. That ended up being our most tender size. So that's what we're going to go ahead and go with. So we're going to take the rest of these, we're going to slice it all the way through, and we're going to have ourselves a great dinner. If you guys like this content, please go ahead and hit that like button, drop a comment down below, and if you're not subscribed, we'd love to have you. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and as always, have a great barbecue week.